Want to unlock key skills for success in the digital economy and discover the AI marketing tool that's made the biggest impact on your business or career? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over winning in the digital economy, how to make money with AI and digital marketing. In today's fast-paced digital economy, the intersection of artificial intelligence and digital marketing is reshaping how businesses operate and thrive. As we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial to understand the significance of leveraging AI tools and innovative marketing strategies. These technologies not only streamline operations, but also enhance customer engagement, leading to increased sales and brand loyalty. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and personalize marketing efforts, all while saving time and resources. This video will explore how businesses can tap into these transformative strategies to unlock financial success. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, the potential for growth is immense. By embracing digital marketing and AI, you can position your business at the forefront of this revolution. So, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the strategies that can elevate your business and help you win in the digital economy. Understanding the digital economy. The digital economy refers to an economy that is primarily based on digital technologies, encompassing a wide range of components such as e-commerce, digital services, and online platforms. This shift from traditional business models to digital ones has transformed how companies operate, interact with customers, and deliver value. E-commerce, for instance, allows businesses to reach a global audience, breaking geographical barriers that once limited growth. As more consumers turn to online shopping and digital services, companies must adapt to these changing preferences to remain competitive. The implications of this shift are profound. Businesses that fail to embrace digital trends risk obsolescence. Adapting to the digital economy is not just about having an online presence. It involves leveraging data analytics, enhancing customer experiences, and utilizing innovative marketing strategies. For sustained success, businesses must be agile and responsive to the evolving digital landscape, ensuring they meet the demands of today's tech-savvy consumers. The role of AI in business. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing business operations and marketing strategies in ways we never thought possible. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to predictive analytics that forecast market trends, AI applications are transforming how companies engage with their customers. Chatbots enhance customer experience by offering 24/7 assistance, while predictive analytics helps businesses make data-driven decisions, optimizing inventory and marketing efforts. Personalized marketing, powered by AI, tailors content and recommendations to individual preferences, significantly improving conversion rates. The benefits of integrating AI into business processes are immense, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and increased operational efficiency. For instance, companies like Amazon use AI to analyze customer behavior, allowing them to recommend products that align with individual shopping habits. Similarly, Netflix leverages AI algorithms to suggest shows and movies, keeping viewers engaged and subscribed. By embracing AI, businesses can gain a competitive advantage, streamline operations, and create more meaningful connections with their customers. Digital marketing strategies. To thrive in the digital landscape, businesses must implement effective digital marketing strategies that resonate with their target audiences. Key strategies include search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and social media engagement. SEO enhances visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic to your website, while content marketing focuses on creating valuable, relevant content that attracts and retains customers. Social media engagement allows businesses to connect with their audience in real time, fostering community and brand loyalty. Data-driven decision making is crucial in digital marketing. Analyzing metrics helps businesses understand what works and what doesn't. By leveraging tools like Google Analytics, companies can track user behavior and adjust their strategies accordingly. To create compelling campaigns, focus on storytelling that aligns with your brand values and speaks to your audience's needs. Use eye-catching visuals and clear calls to action to encourage engagement. Remember, the key to successful digital marketing lies in understanding your audience and delivering content that truly resonates with them. Monetizing AI and digital marketing. Generating revenue through AI and digital marketing efforts opens up a world of possibilities for businesses. Various monetization models can be explored, including affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and subscription services. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies, leveraging their online presence to drive sales. E-commerce, on the other hand, enables businesses to sell products directly to consumers through online platforms, creating a seamless shopping experience. Subscription services offer recurring revenue by providing exclusive content or products to loyal customers. Several businesses have successfully monetized their digital presence. For example, companies like Shopify empower entrepreneurs to set up e-commerce stores, while platforms like Patreon allow creators to earn through subscriptions. These case studies illustrate the potential for financial success in the digital realm. As you consider your own monetization strategies, think creatively about how you can leverage AI and digital marketing to create unique offerings that resonate with your audience and drive revenue growth. Challenges and solutions. In the digital economy, businesses face several common challenges, including data privacy concerns, intense competition, and the need for technology adoption. Data privacy is a significant issue as consumers are increasingly aware of how their information is used. To address this, businesses should prioritize transparency and implement robust data protection measures, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR. Competition is fierce in the digital landscape, making it essential for businesses to differentiate themselves. Developing a unique value proposition and focusing on exceptional customer service can help set your brand apart. Additionally, embracing technology can be daunting, but it's crucial for staying relevant. Companies should invest in training and resources to facilitate smooth technology adoption, ensuring employees are equipped to leverage new tools effectively. Encouraging a proactive approach to navigating these challenges is vital. Regularly assessing your digital strategies and staying informed about industry trends can help you adapt and thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. By addressing these challenges head-on, businesses can position themselves for long-term success. Future trends in AI and digital marketing. As we look ahead, several emerging technologies are poised to shape the future of the digital economy and marketing landscape. Blockchain technology, for instance, promises to enhance transparency and security in transactions, revolutionizing how businesses handle data and payments. Meanwhile, augmented reality, AR, is set to transform customer experiences by allowing consumers to interact with products in immersive ways, bridging the gap between online and offline shopping. Staying ahead of these trends is crucial for business growth. Companies that adapt early to new technologies can gain a competitive edge, attracting tech-savvy consumers and improving operational efficiency. Embracing innovations like AI-driven analytics and personalized marketing will also be essential in meeting evolving customer expectations. To thrive in this dynamic environment, it's important for businesses and marketers to continuously educate themselves on evolving digital strategies. Engaging in ongoing learning and staying informed about industry developments will empower you to make informed decisions and capitalize on future opportunities in the digital landscape. In conclusion, we've explored the transformative role of AI and digital marketing in today's economy. From enhancing customer experiences through personalized marketing to streamlining operations with advanced technologies, the potential for growth is immense. We discussed various strategies, including SEO, content marketing, and innovative monetization models, all of which can help businesses thrive in the digital landscape. Now, it's time for you to take action. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to succeed in the digital economy. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website for further learning. We have a wealth of resources designed to keep you informed and ahead of the curve in AI and digital marketing. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care